Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And this will be a short video, and I will show you how to update your Microsoft Office and activate, of course, if you didn't activate with your license key. So, just as you see, now I was finish my update, and how to do this? Just go to your open your Office or whatever an account. As you see, it's activate my. Just go here to update options and to update now and see it will check for your update and just will wait and you'll see my is up to date and just I don't know what to do and just I will close now of course and close this and you have here this as you see if you have Office 20 and to 2021, you just go here and rename this and just type Office 2021.cmd and just run as administrator and see it will be open. See, like I said, I have this and this is activated now. We'll activate again. Just a little wait to see. It's activating now and we just wait. It will be successfully and you see here product activate successfully. Would you like to visit blog? No, just type no and exit. And this is it. And then you go to your type board and you see now my account. You see it's activated. That's it. Open Word, whatever you want. New, what you want. Everything is activated. You see, go to File, Account, and that's it, what is important. And for now, that will be all. Just see here you have BitLive, and I will leave you in the description script, and that's it. Script just copy and open Notepad and save as and type here save as and if you have a 2019 or 2016 or 2021 just type office version.cmd and save that go to put on desktop it's and just right click like I said and run as an administrator and it will activate. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Happy weekend. Please subscribe, like, share, and bye.